welcome. You're now looking at Meta.ai, which is an extension of Facebook and is based on open source programming and is the chatbot version of that technology. We're going to take our prompt, just as we had in ChatGPT, and we're going to enter it into Meta. And we're not going to change anything about the prompt. What we're going to do is we're then going to click enter to see what Meta is able to produce. And so we will allow Meta then to then give us its rationale and logic in the way that it puts together our content. And then we will allow Meta to put together the content. Since we specified a number, we're going to copy and paste this content and place it inside of our word processing document. And one of the things you'll notice is that with this unstructured prompt, that the total number of words with Meta's content is 401. So we're going to save this document, and then we're going to go through a simple edit process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.